And welcome back, everybody. All eyes to the sky, and hopefully they'll get weather like this. We're talking about what's going on out at the Butler County Regional Airport. Here on the Now is Mark Feist with the Greater Cincinnati Radio Control Club. He's one of the masterminds of the Flying Circus. Mark, it's always great to see you. Thanks for coming out.
Yeah, thanks for having us.
I'll tell you what, I look around and I'm always sort of in awe that these things aren't just cool to look at, but they go up in the air. Let's talk about what we've got here first of all, and then talk about some of the things people will see at the Flying Circus.
Absolutely, yeah. These are some of the planes that will fly at the circus. This is the Red Baron Stearman biplane. There's actually 4 of them. That's 2 of number 4. We fly them in formations and air show, formation flying air
So
shows.
you put them up at the same time?
Oh, absolutely, all 4 of them. Yep, we fly in formation, just like the big air shows. That's a 10-foot wingspan, has a 150cc gas engine in it. Makes a lot of noise. Sounds like a little Harley Davidson, actually.
How close do they get when in the air, and how in sync do the controllers have to be? I would imagine you've got to work together for a long time to get that down.
Yeah, we practice. We work together. We do side-by-side stall turns and loops and formation passes. It's a lot of fun.
So cool, so cool. What else we got?
Well, this is a World War II plane. We do a lot of reenactments of historical aviation events. This is called an F6F Hellcat. That's a plane that I built a few years ago, and we'll have a bunch of these flying in different historical reenactments. Also have a small F-16 over here. I couldn't bring my big turbine-powered one.
I said we've had that one before where you fired up, and I think the neighbors start coming out wondering what's going on.
Exactly. Well, this one actually has what's called a electric ducted fan. Okay. It has a big battery in it driving an electric motor and a fan. This will still fly well over 100 miles an hour. And we'll have a bunch of these reenacting a number of different events as well.
When you get up to those kinds of speeds, how do you put yourself in a position where you can keep an eye on it closely enough, you know what I mean, to make sure you're not getting it out over somewhere where it shouldn't be?
Yeah, some of our turbine-powered jets will go between 180 and 200 miles an hour.
Oh my gosh.
And you'll see those at the show. And, you just got to put yourself mentally inside the airplane and fly it as if you're sitting in the seat. Because all the controls are the same as full-scale aviation. You're just flying with a radio.
That's unbelievable. Got a little bit smaller deal over there.
Smaller deal. We have some fun. We take 2 small planes and try to knock each other out of the sky. Have some compacts. And,
real dog fights, but you actually kind of try to make contact in the air.
And I can tell you, we actually have a target event where we try to hit the targets. The targets hopefully will be shaped like COVID balls this year. We're going to blow them up. So
we'd all appreciate you blowing that up, I think, a little bit. Hey, one of the things I always tell people about when I know you're going to be coming, I'm like, I hope he brings Iron Man. And you brought Iron Man.
Iron Man. This is Iron Man. So we have Iron Man and War Machine. These are actually radio-controlled airplanes. The hands and the feet, you can see them kind of move here.
Yeah.
That's how you control
the propeller's still up here.
Propeller's hidden in there behind the head at the shoulder blades.
So slick.
And they fly around. They're pretty cool. They'll loop them and roll them and everything else. And they're probably going to be flying with things like lawnmowers and witches and Harry Potter and who knows what else.
Because why wouldn't you put all those things up together?
Right, why not?
It's like Ready Player One. I don't know if you've seen that movie or not. So all of these, I assume, come in if you wanted to start, I don't know, becoming a person who flies these kinds. Do you buy a kit? How does it work?
Yeah, in fact, we'll talk quite a bit about that at the show. But you could buy what's called a trainer. And it's an introductory level airplane that we can teach people how to fly on Monday and Wednesday nights in our club. And you learn how to fly. And there's a number of clubs all around the city and hobby shops that can get you started.
I know one of the things that people are going to be curious about, too. They see all these planes. They think that's really cool, but everybody loves a drone now. Do we do anything with drones out there?
We always have drones at the show. Yeah. So we might do a quadcopter race. We'll have some camera drones flying around filming the crowd and the air show. By the way, we'll have over 150 model airplanes in a 4-hour show.
Wow.
And we do all kinds of events and displays of all. It's almost hard to describe. It's only $5 for a 4-hour show. We also will have a raffle. All the proceeds go to the cost of the show and then to our charities. Awesome. Our preferred our primary charity is Spina Bifida of Greater Cincinnati. And we had all the kids out from Spina Bifida a few weeks ago and let them all fly model airplanes, and then we raise funds during our show.
I bet they love that. Hey, give me quick details on when the event happens, and as you're doing that, fire up this plane, because I know we got to go to commercial break here.
Yeah, absolutely. So it's Saturday and Sunday, 11:30 to 4 both days. The Flying Circus at the Butler County Regional Airport. And we're also collecting donations for the USO as well as funds for our charities. Come out and enjoy a great show.
And we'll put more information at local12.com. It's coming at me. We'll be right back.